What's up, you guys? Welcome back into another video. My camera's gonna fall. Okay. What up, you guys? Welcome back into another video. In today's video, we're here at Mexico. Oh my god. Alright, what up, you guys? Welcome back into another video. In today's video, I'm here at Mexico tonight, and yeah, there's gonna be a lot of races if cops don't show up. So yeah, let's get today's video started. Alright, so
This shit loud as fuck. Yeah, I hope you guys can hear me, but it is windy and the car is loud too, so. Holy shit. That shit's fast as fuck. Yo. That shit's fast as fuck. Alrighty, guys. From what I heard, sorry, it might be too loud, but from what I heard the Mustang is it's a V6. It's full bolts on, but that one is my buddy's, the orange Charger RT. So that one is just completely stock. So V6 Mustang. I'll just let you guys listen to the race. Let's see who's gonna win. I'm gonna come over here because I want you guys to see the full race. So. But yeah, like I said, V6 full bolt on Mustang versus a Charger RT stock. That shit's bone stock. So, and that's my boys. The orange one is my boys. So let's see. Let me know in the comments who you guys got in this race. Yeah, sorry if it's too loud. I have my mic on right now, so I hope it's good right now. Let me make it brighter for me. Yeah, the Charger got the win. Damn, hazards on him is crazy too. But yeah, it looks like the Charger took the one. I'm gonna go ahead and come on this side. This shit is loud as fuck. Holy shit. That just sounds crazy. Unfortunately, I can't zoom in because my lens is only 50mm.
I want to drive one of these.
Yeah, I know. Holy shit. Yeah. But the BMW. that's a Camaro. Holy shit, that shit crazy. I think it's definitely fast. Oh, nitrous. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Yo, that shit sounds crazy. Alright, here comes back the Camaro. Man, let's see the downshifts. Let's see. Boy, that shit is fast. That shit is fast as fuck. Like, alright, we got a Camaro versus a Camaro, but I don't know the trim on both of them, but it seems like 2S. Holy, yeah, I got the black one for sure. The black one is gonna win, bro. Woo, that shit sounds crazy too. This is gonna be a good ass race, though. I'm not gonna lie with you. Hey, I got you back. I got you back. That shit is crazy nice, though, bro. Mashallah, bro. Yeah. Alright, let me know in the comments what you got, bro. The black Camaro or the red one? Because this shit looks fire, bro. Like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, but the black one was definitely not stock, bro. That shit had a nitrous on it, bro. But from what I know, I think the Camaro is catless and it's got a cam. I think that's stage 3 cam. But and same with the other one. But I'm not sure the other specs on them. But yeah, I think both of them are 2 SSs. So yeah, I mean, let's see who's gonna take the W though. Alright, let's go. Fortunately, the black Camaro took the win, but that was a very close race, though. I think the red Camaro did a great job, though. But yeah. It's my boy Ahmed right here, bro. All right, we got an Audi. I'm not sure. Oh, that shit was quick. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was nice too. Let's see what this guy got. Wow. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, bro. I hope you guys can hear me, because last time I recorded the event, the whole time, bro, no one could hear me, so I kind of got pissed, bro. So I hope you guys can hear me. If you guys don't, or if you guys do, enjoy the video. Sheesh, I see. Cool. That shit got something right there. I'm not gonna lie with you. I don't even know. I don't know if you guys can see I'm zooming in or not, but yeah, this shit is pretty fast too, bro. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. If the camera is too shaky, I'm sorry about that. I'm doing my best right now. It's kind of windy too, so I hope you guys can hear me. Like I said, it's windy, and last time it wasn't working, but enjoy the. That shit was crazy. Shout out to her for hosting all those races, helping us all have fun, you know? Yeah. This shit is nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Everyone here safe and all that. So all we care about is having fun, everyone enjoying it. So yeah. Bro. Holy. That thing is loud. Yeah, that thing is loud as shit, bro. Let's see the run on this one. Yeah.
Dude.
I'm not gonna lie, that thing is hard though. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Bro, you guys might not hear anything on the video, but in person, this shit is loud as fuck.
Felt it
Holy
in my
shit.
chest.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that car run in 3 years.
Yeah, me too. Alrighty, guys. I went ahead and switched my microphones, but yeah, my camera is 1%, so I'm gonna record whatever I can, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If the camera shuts off, I'm probably not gonna record anymore, but yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a good one. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content like this. I'm doing my best to keep you guys or give you guys content, the best content ever. But yeah, as always, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace. Alrighty, guys, it's 12 o'clock. I'm probably gonna go ahead and head out now. And yeah, it's 12 o'clock right now, and it's kind of getting late. But I hope to see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I can get you guys more content soon. Yeah, as always, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let me just show you guys around the parked cars. Let me guys show you guys around a little bit, and yeah, whenever my camera shuts off, that's it. 'Cause I can't record anymore right now. And yeah. Then this thing is clean. Yeah. This thing is clean too. He's just loading up on a trailer. And yeah, we got a Super B right here. This thing is clean as fuck too. As always, I mean, like I guys some content if I can. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. And I'm out. Alright, peace out, guys, and have a good night.